Hey guys, it's John and Miles.
Hi.
Today we are going to try and attempt to install the new Furrion 5 camera system in our new StarCraft ultralight. So hopefully this works out okay. Wish us luck. Okay, so we bought the new Furrion 5, or Furrion S camera system from Camping World. And our camper, if you look right here, it came pre-wired from the factory for the side cameras. So all we have to do is pop off the cover and then pull out the 2 screws from the side, which I already actually removed these. This cap, it says dummy cap, slides off, and there's connections inside here for the new camera system. Miles is actually shooting the video, so if it's wobbly, excuse us. But the new camera system came with the new lights, and it's a housing like that. We're not using this because our camera came pre-wired, so all you do is pop the cap off. I already took the 2 screws out. This slides off of the unit that came in the kit, and then this camera literally slides right in. And then I gotta put the 2 screws on there. It's nice when they're pre-wired like this because I don't have to fiddle with it. And then install the screws. And then the cap goes on. That's it for the one side. Now we're gonna go to the other side and switch it. Oh, just like the other side, I already put the camera in. You just take the cap off, take the screws out, take the dummy cap off, then the new camera slides right in, put the 2 screws back in, and you are ready to go. And now we'll work on the, now our camper came with a backup camera, so we don't even need to install that. The new kit came with just the side. As you can tell, our camper already has a backup camera, so we're not using that. But the new kit did come with a monitor. Part of the Furrion kit, it came with a 5-inch monitor and then a windshield mount. So all you do, obviously, is snap that in, stick it to the windshield, plug in the 12-volt plug. Now the headlights have to be on in the truck for the camera system to get its power. And then there it is. I didn't even have to pair it. It already came up. But there's the left camera, the right camera, and now the backup camera. The backup camera also has a built-in microphone. So when you're backing up, Miles can just tell me to stop or go or whatever. And I can hear them without having to use my phone. Because when our phones are together, we get like a reverb between our 2 cell phones, so you really can't hear them. So this should be a great option. Like I said, this is our new StarCraft ultralight that we bought. And hopefully this will make it a lot easier than our last camper to tow and back and drive down the highway. Okay, thanks. Add on to the video we just did. So we installed the camera system. That works awesome. Once again, we just bought this camper in January. It is now March 5th. We are getting ready to go out in April on its first real trial run. We did one in the local campground in State Park. A couple weeks ago, we stayed 1 day, but we're actually going out for about 4 days in April, starting out in the 2nd week. But this is our new RV we bought. One big thing from our last RV, which was a Cherokee Wolf Pup. This has a slide, which makes a huge difference in the living space. And it does have a roof ladder, which makes a way easier, at least checking on the roof, checking the caulk, make sure there's no damage from low trees or something. It's a dual axle, which they say should tow better. If you guys have any ideas on that, let me know in the comments below. This is, like I said, our last camper was the single axle. This is a dual. Miles' fancy tire cover he bought. It's kind of cute. The only thing I don't like about this RV, it has a gas LP electric fridge, where our last one had a 12 volt. We'll see how it goes this year. And then, yeah, there's the other side. One bonus about this RV, other than Cherokees, on the StarCraft, it is a pass-through, so it's kind of dark in there, but it does go all the way through to the other side. So one side we can get out our camping gear, the other side we keep our water pipes and sewer pipes and stuff like that, so we don't have to keep dragging it out of one side. So that's a huge bonus. And then inside, it's way bigger floor space. With a slide, it's gigantic. Full-size bed with under bed storage. It came with a decent TV, I think, and microwave, and an oven, which Miles was dying for. Way more storage. Once again, it is a gas electric fridge. I don't know how these work. We haven't tried it yet. Let me know if you have any suggestions on them. Hopefully it works okay. The biggest thing is the bathroom. It's got a gigantic shower with a full glass door. No more of that wimpy shower curtain. So, skylight. It does have ducted AC and ducted heat. Below the bed there. And then on the side, it's got nice end tables with storage drawers. But there's a lot more storage, a lot more windows than our last one. So yeah, a lot of natural light. This folds out to a bed also. And yeah, we're excited. Hopefully 29 more days and then we're heading out on our first big trip. Like and subscribe, and hopefully we shoot another video every week. We actually got a YouTube, or not a YouTube channel, we have a website being launched hopefully next month, okay, for our website. Thanks. So I have not been up on this roof yet, so I'm going to attempt to climb up here. I can't get Miles to hold the camera, so, and there's the backup camera. Sorry about the crappy video. Like I said, we are new to this whole YouTube thing. I hope we're getting better. But yeah, they say it's a walkable roof, which I'm really not sure if it does harm to be up here, but it is prepped for solar. I called a couple companies. I can't figure out who installs it, so if you guys have any suggestions. I asked the dealer where we bought it from, and they said you have to find a solar company to do it. I assume the dealer would, but they said they do not do them. So if you guys have any suggestions of who I should call or where I can find out, or if it's easy to do myself, maybe they're not hard, but it is prepped for solar. I'd like to add 2 panels to this. It's got the Winegard 360 antenna, which we haven't tried it yet. And then 2, the AC is a standard AC unit, but they say they make a heat pump version. I thought about switching that out, but I don't know if you guys have any suggestions if those work well or if it's even worth doing it. And I'm assuming this is for the fridge, for the exhaust. I'm not sure how that works, but yeah, I know, like I said, our other camper had a 12 volt fridge. My last question is, this is a skylight for the shower. There's actually water moisture inside. It's not outside, it's inside. I don't know how it gets there, or is there a way to get it out or have that vent? Because it is caulked. I'm not sure how you'd get that moisture out of there. If you guys have any suggestions, let me know. But those ice pellets are actually inside. So let me know what you think. So, as you know, this is our truck we bought last August to to tow our first camper with. So we had the Santa Fe. It towed okay, but it wasn't quite good, the best. So we upgraded the truck. Now that we bought the bigger trailer, which weighs more than the Wolf Pup did, now I'm thinking buying the V6 was not a good idea. I guess I should have bought the Hemi. But I don't know. Like I said, we've only towed the camper once, basically home from the dealer, went to the local state park, and then it's been sitting here in storage. So I don't have an idea of how well it's going to tow on a long trip. The truck did come factory equipped with a tow package, but it does have the e-torque 3.6 Pentastar engine. And yeah, I hope I don't have to upgrade to a V8, but we'll see. If you guys have any ideas, or if you guys have an e-torque that you've towed, the camper weighs about 4,900 pounds unloaded dry. I think it's got a cargo carrying capacity of 1,200 pounds, so I hope this works out okay. But let me know if you guys have any suggestions, because I hate to have to buy another truck considering we just bought this thing. So, but there's Clifford the red Ram and Rufus our trailer. And then the last, I have another question too. This is our first slide camper. Is there any maintenance on this thing? Do I have to grease anything, like the gears underneath, or is there anything I should be watching for as I'm using it? The dealer really didn't give me any information. They said there's no maintenance required, but I'm assuming there'd be something on the back that has to be greased or maintained. But any suggestions you guys have? Also, on these dual axle trailers, I did torque the wheels the first 100 miles that we had it. And is there maintenance that I should be looking for on a dual axle? Any adjustments I need to do, or anything I should watch for? And then of course the last thing is it does have the China Bomb tires on it. I don't know if I should upgrade or just use them up until they wear out, but they're called Ridgeway Sport STs. And pressure wise, what do you think I should run for a pressure? Should I do the maximum sidewall pressure on the tire, or any suggestions? Let me know. Thanks.